Biogeochemical cycles. What are biogeochemical cycles? Bio, life. Geo, earth. Literally life, earth, chemical cycle. Also called nutrient cycles. Biogeochemical cycles content. Natural processes that recycle nutrients from the non-living environment to living organisms, then back to the non-living environment. A nutrient is a substance an organism needs to live, grow or reproduce, for example, carbon, oxygen and nitrogen. Biogeochemical cycles. Macronutrients. Nutrients needed in large amounts. Make up greater than 95% of all organisms' mass. For example, C, N, P, K, H, O. Micronutrients. The 30+ elements required by organisms in small amounts, for example, iron, zinc, carbon cycle carbon, C. Basic building block of carbohydrates, fats, proteins and nucleic acids, such as DNA. The main source of C for organisms is CO2 from the atmosphere or dissolved in surface water. Carbon cycle content. The three largest reservoirs of C are 1. Earth's rocks. 2. Fossil fuels. 3. Ocean beds. Carbon cycle content. Atmosphere, CO2, diffusion, photosynthesis. Respiration, decomposition. Combustion. Plants. Animals. Consumption. Burial and compaction. Oceans. Fossil fuels. Limestone. Carbon cycle. Atmosphere 750. Vegetation 610. Soils 1580. Carbon cycle content. 2 ways that humans have disturbed the cycle. Forest and brush clearing. 2. Burning fossil fuels and wood. Carbon cycle content. These activities have resulted in an increase in the level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. 0.036% of the atmosphere is carbon dioxide gas. Increases in the level of carbon dioxide linked to global warming. Nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen. Organisms need N to make proteins, DNA and other nitrogen compounds. Nitrogen gas, N2, makes up 78% of atmospheric volume. N2 cannot be used directly by plants or animals. Nitrogen cycle content. Ways humans intervene in N cycle. 1. Adding excess nitrate and ammonia to aquatic ecosystems in agricultural runoff and discharge of municipal sewage. Leads to eutrophication. 2. Emitting large quantities of nitric oxide when fuel is burned. Leads to acid rain. Phosphorus cycle. Is the movement of P through water, Earth's crust in living organisms. P, mainly in the form of phosphates, is an essential plant and animal nutrient. P is found as essential to bones, teeth and plant and animal cell membranes. Upliftment of the ocean floor. Phosphorus cycle. Phosphate rocks. Fertilizer. Erosion. Upliftment of the ocean floor. Aquatic plants. Aquatic animals. Ocean floor. Phosphorus cycle content. 2 chief ways humans intervene with the P cycle. Mining large quantities of phosphate rock to produce commercial inorganic fertilizers and detergents. Phosphorus is a non-renewable resource and inefficient use may lead to shortage in the future and global food problems. Science Daily, 2010. Phosphorus cycle content. Adding excess phosphate to aquatic ecosystems and runoff or animal wastes from cropland, sewage discharge and livestock feedlots. Excess phosphorus leads to growth of algae which blocks waterways. In extreme cases, death of the algae results in oxygen deficiency and fish kills. Hydrologic cycle. Describes the movement of H2O between oceans and land masses. Collects, purifies and distributes Earth's fixed supply of water. Organisms are made up primarily of H2O. The water cycle. Source: http://web.ccsd.k12.y./science/04/0202watchcycle.html. The water cycle. Condensation. Aquifer.